Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am thrilled to welcome all of you to this exciting webinar on Roshan Digital Initiative. This webinar is being hosted in collaboration, and I'm thankful to our High Commission in Canada. Tarar Saab, thank you to you and your team for putting this together. We're very grateful to you, sir. And thank you for allocating time to us as well. The purpose of the webinar, simply put, is to create awareness of Roshan Digital Initiative, which is done really well. And this is a landmark opportunity where the State Bank, in collaboration with Ministry of Finance and banks, have put together, for the ease of non-resident Pakistanis, the ability to not just open accounts and be able to do many other things, including lifestyle banking, pay utility bills, transfer funds to loved ones, the ability for them to invest in both conventional Sharia compliant solutions. So, I welcome everybody. The panel has been put together in collaboration with the Embassy and the High Commission, the State Bank of Pakistan, CDC, PSX. We've got distinguished people from within HBL and from the industry. And like I said earlier, the idea is to create the awareness, be able to answer questions, and further ease the process for opening accounts for our fellow brothers and sisters living abroad. So first and foremost, I would like to be very honored to introduce our president, Mr. Mohammad Aurangzeb, who's the main to deliver his keynote speech today. He's taken time out to be with us today. Aurangzeb Saab is very passionate about new initiatives, about digital solutions. His mission statement for the bank is to run this as a tech company with a banking license. So we're very committed to not just the Roshan Digital Initiative, but also the many other facets of digital banking.
First of all, expressing our sincere gratitude to Excellency Raza Bashir Tarar and all his colleagues from the High Commission in Canada. Thank you very much for really spearheading this effort out of Canada. And I'm sure we'll hear from the High Commissioner in short order. From an HBL perspective, we are greatly honored that we have been at the start of this remarkable journey. It's been, just in terms of the overwhelming response from the non-resident Pakistanis from all over the world. It started with, quite frankly, the ease of doing business. You can do digital account opening. And then, of course, these are very attractive returns. All of us who have been abroad, and in just the combination of this, we are roughly now about 20% of the accounts which have been opened under the Roshan Digital Scheme, or तकरीबन कोई $180 million करीब हमारे through आया है, as I said, the country overall. And again, we'll hear from Irfan Saab what the latest figures are, but I heard, the latest is, it's crossed about $1.2 billion, which is a fantastic outcome over the last 8 months. I'm grateful to High Commissioner Saab as well. Excellency sent me a note a couple of days back or yesterday saying, you have to address some of the technical aspects or some of the technical glitches which come through when people are trying to open accounts. And we take that in the spirit of further improvement. So that's why it's not only myself and Mohsen, but, we have the extended, leadership team here as well, especially around the Sharia compliant aspect of it as well. Afaq is here and he can explain what is our offer from that perspective as well.
This Roshan Digital Account initiative dovetails excellently into that vision. And we have obviously seen very encouraging results. Remittances have gone up. There's a 29% increase as compared to the previous fiscal year. I would say that this is a form of expression of confidence in the integrity shown by the government, and the fact that people feel more hopeful about the prospects of the country as a whole. We are highly appreciative of your initiative, of your contribution. और इंशाल्लाह बहुत इसके मजीद भी अच्छे नताइज देखने में आएंगे. आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
The journey where Pakistan is at the stage where we can quite comprehensively look investors in the eye and say, this is a strong and stable market, and it's open for investment.
HBL also has an independent Sharia board of 3 eminent scholars who guide each and every transaction that passes through the balance sheet. We operate as an Islamic window. This is sanctioned by the government of Pakistan. We have a separate dedicated balance sheet. The commingling of funds with the conventional bank is strictly prohibited. So I supervise the balance sheet, Islamic balance sheet for HBL Islamic, right? And we do arm's length transactions with our Islamic customers, and there's absolutely no commingling of either assets or liabilities with the conventional banking system.
पॉजिटिविटी आई और रोशन डिजिटल अकाउंट ने वो पॉजिटिविटी क्रिएट की विद इन पाकिस्तान एंड फॉर द नॉन रेजिडेंट पाकिस्तानी। तो मसलन अगर हबीब बैंक किसी भी इस्लामिक प्रोडक्ट को सेल कर रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हबीब बैंक के शरिया बोर्ड ने उसको ओके किया। सिमिलरली उसको स्टेट बैंक ने भी इवैल्यूएट किया, और स्टेट बैंक एक बड़ा ही थॉरो एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम रखता है जिसे हम बैंक्स को एग्जामिन करते हैं, और शरिया कंप्लायंस इज वन सच मैकेनिज्म। उसके बाद उन्होंने एक चीज रेज की कि क्या अगर कोई बैंक फेल हो गया तो क्या होगा। तो उसके लिए इस वक्त जिस इदारे को मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ उसका नाम है डिपॉजिट प्रोटेक्शन कॉर्पोरेशन, और दुनिया भर में डिपॉजिट प्रोटेक्शन कॉर्पोरेशन ही वो इदारे होते हैं जो डिपॉजिटर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं। बट तमाम लोग जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं उनकी तसल्ली के लिए पाकिस्तान में हमारी 73 साल हिस्ट्री में कभी किसी डिपॉजिटर को नुकसान नहीं। अच्छा, ये वो बैंक्स हैं जो कि सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। ऑब्वियसली हबीब बैंक इज द फोरमोस्ट, और जो बात आपको मेरा ख्याल है शायद बताने की शायद जरूरत नहीं थी, बट मैं बताता चलूं कि हबीब बैंक इज अ मल्टीनेशनल with presence in 27 countries.
I want to thank Habib Bank for inviting me to speak on this webinar, and also Mr. Raza Bashir Tarar and Irfan Saab from State Bank, and Aurangzeb, President HBL, for also mentioning some good things about me in the introduction. So I'm grateful for that.
Thank you, Aurangzeb Saab, and we are much obliged, and thank you for the Bashir Tarar Saab and all the Honorable High Commission in Canada as well. Starting my presentation, I would like to add something which is Farouk Bhai recently said, the tightly integrated system of three entities, which is Pakistan Stock Exchange, Central Depository, and the Clearing Company. And I must say this is exactly as per the international at par. The three systems are tightly integrated and no manual transaction is executed between the Stock Exchange, CDC, and NCCPL. Everything is tightly coupled. Three very simple steps that once you open an account, you have to consent to share your account detail, and then as a standard terms and conditions that for the risk and reward attached with any transaction to be executed in the stock exchange, that you have to give your consent, and then you select the broker of your choice, which is about 47 brokers of all the stock market is available here. Then you can choose apni pasand ke mutabik you can choose a broker from which you want to trade.
Specifically for the RDA, Roshan Digital Initiative, HPL के पास conventional account भी हैं, Islamic accounts भी available हैं. We also offer joint account availability. We understand a number of people want to open a joint account. There are no local credits to this account, as you're all aware, is the main feature of the thing. At HPL, we have over 50 plus dedicated relationship managers to handhold your account opening process, along with a seamless onboarding process digitally that we offer, because many currencies, including rupee, dollar, GBP, and euro, Canadian dollar, coming very, very soon. We offer debit cards both in rupee and in dollars, along with the checkbook. The debit card and the checkbook can be sent to you. We've taken initiative. So the onboarding process at HBL is fairly simple. It's a 4-step easy onboarding process. You can visit our website and you'll see an eBank Roshan Digital Account tab. When you go in, you will register yourself. There is a quick OTP that is sent to you.
Thank you very much, Aurangzeb Saab, and my personal compliments and my appreciation for this brilliant effort, brilliant presentations by the State Bank, by the Sharia side, the CDC. Brilliant effort. We can do much more as an interface with the end user. I would like to request you and request your support in getting us this information in a concise manner so that we can share it with our community members who are here. Once again, Aurangzeb sir, thank you so very much for letting me speak. Ladies and gentlemen, a brilliant effort. High Commissioner Saab sir, as usual, under your stewardship, inshallah sir, this will continue. The political leadership, Imran Khan and Shah Mahmood Qureshi sir, have been repeating and emphasizing our importance of our community abroad. Please help us achieve the vision of the Pakistan's political leadership. Thank you very much, sir. Have a pleasant day.
पाक सरज़मीन शादबाद,
ईश्वरे हसीन शादबाद,
तू निशाने अज़्मे आलिशान से पाकिस्तान, मरकज़े यकीन शादबाद। पाक सरज़मीन का निज़ाम,
परचमे सितारों हिला,
रहबरे तरक्कियों कमाल,
तर्जुमाने माज़ी शाने हाल, जाने इस्तक़बाल,
साया-ए खुदा-ए ज़ुल-जलाल।
हमारा सासा पाकिस्तान के लोग, उनके ख्वाब और रोशन मुस्तकबिल है। जहां ख्वाब वहां HPL।